Dad, back before YouTube, what did you even do?
Yeah, we're even cool.
One, two, three, and to the four. Pekin' VGG is at your front door. Revving up independence, so back on up, cause a fella's about to rip it up. When I need cooling, I gotta get that blue bottle. Cause Vice Grip Nation bringing the thunder and we hitting full throttle. Ain't nothing but a peak thing, baby. Fueled by freedom, got that deagle going crazy. Peak Auto is the squad that pays me. Burning rubber, so don't you try to race me.